continuing to work on improving overhead pressing, overhead pinching in our shoulders. Being able to have better mid-back mobility is baseline. You have to have better extension of your mid-back. I can have all the shoulder mobility in the world, but if my spine is stiff, I can't lift up overhead. So we need to be able to have better extension in our back. Now, in addition, we need to be able to have more extensibility out of our lats and our triceps here to get that arm up overhead. So we're crushing two birds with one stone here. So we're doing a lat pullover or just a weighted pullover. So in this position, right, I'm gonna allow my butt to drop as that weight pulls my upper body up over the bench. So I'm literally just trying to just pull myself into an extension. And then as I pull this up, I can bring the hips up with it. And then just bending that spine back and forth, I'm gonna drop down again. Let your rib flare, that's okay. You can hold to also then get that good stretch out of the lats, totally fine. You can also then do this again in the sets and reps, right? You want a little bit of extra and you can push it through. You can kind of push that head through to get a deeper stretch in those shoulders there. Make sure you're breathing. Rinse and repeat. Multiple sets of either pullovers or holds. You got to find that fringe and breathe through that tough spot. Again, the only thing we're monitoring is no pinching up top.